Best Sport Motorcycles 2025, Triumph Bonneville T120. Triumph Motorcycles has once again captivated the motorcycle world with the unveiling of the 2025 Bonneville T120, a timeless icon reimagined for the modern rider. Combining classic British styling with contemporary technology and performance enhancements, the Bonneville T120 promises to appeal to riders seeking a blend of heritage charm and modern functionality. Classic design with modern refinement. The Triumph Bonneville T120 retains its signature classic styling cues that have defined the Bonneville lineage for decades. From its elegant fuel tank and sculpted lines to the chrome accents and twin pea-shooter exhausts, every detail of the T120 exudes vintage appeal. However, updated features such as LED lighting, a modern instrument cluster with digital displays, and refined finishes ensure that the T120 stands out in both form and function in the competitive sport motorcycle market of 2025. Enhanced performance and handling. Underpinning the Bonneville T120 is a responsive and torque-rich 1,200 cubic centimeters parallel twin engine, designed to deliver smooth power delivery and ample low-end grunt. The T120's chassis has been refined to offer improved handling and stability, making it a joy to ride on a variety of road conditions. Whether navigating city streets or cruising on the open highway, the T120 provides a comfortable and engaging riding experience that blends classic charm with modern performance expectations. Technological integration. While honoring its heritage, Triumph has integrated modern technology into the Bonneville T120 to enhance rider convenience and safety. Riders can benefit from features such as ride-by-wire throttle control, traction control, and multiple riding modes, allowing for customizable performance based on riding conditions and preferences. Additionally, advanced ABS braking ensures confident stopping power, adding an extra layer of safety during spirited rides or sudden stops. Comfort and versatility. Comfort has been prioritized in the design of the Bonneville T120, with a plush seat and ergonomically optimized riding position that accommodates a wide range of riders. Adjustable suspension settings further enhance comfort and control, catering to varying preferences and road conditions. Combined with ample torque and a smooth shifting transmission, the T120 is not only a pleasure to ride but also a versatile companion for both daily commuting and leisurely weekend trips. Market appeal and availability. Anticipation for the Triumph Bonneville T120 is high among motorcycle enthusiasts and riders who appreciate classic styling paired with modern performance enhancements. Scheduled for release in major markets in 2025, the T120 is expected to attract a diverse audience seeking a refined blend of heritage aesthetics, advanced technology, and reliable performance in a sport motorcycle. Conclusion. As Triumph continues to evolve its legendary Bonneville series, the 2025 T120 stands as a testament to the brand's commitment to craftsmanship, heritage, and innovation. With its timeless design, enhanced performance capabilities, and integrated modern technology, the Bonneville T120 offers riders an unparalleled blend of style and functionality. Whether cruising through city streets or embarking on scenic journeys, the T120 invites riders to embrace the essence of classic motorcycling with confidence and elegance, setting a new standard for sport motorcycles in the years ahead.